Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you step by step how you can apply a formula to multiple cells in your spreadsheets and Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, as you can see, I prepared an example table like this here with column number 1, column number 2 and also column number 3, and we would like to apply a formula to all cells under column 3. This is how we can do it, guys. Start by applying the formula to the uppermost cell in your third column. To do that, double click into it and enter or type in the formula, which is equals to, for example. Then add the first cell of the formula, which would be H5. Then the action, let's say multiplied, and then the second cell, which is I5. And that's it. You would see the result here. So press enter to confirm the formula. And I'm just going to apply the formula to the uppermost cell. Now, as you can see, it's only applied to the upper row here. So if you'd like to apply to the entire column, guys, what you need to do is double click into that cell, press and hold Ctrl C to copy, press Ctrl again, and after that, highlight the rest of your column just like that and press Ctrl D. And that's it. As you can see, the formula has been automatically applied to the rest of these cells, so that you don't have to apply the formula for each cell one by one. And that's how it works in 2026, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.